It sure is nice out and everything, and it's getting warm, but the pool is still chilly. Are you sure you want to go in?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go stick our legs in and see if we can handle it. All right, so the first attempt at the pool with the deck and stuff, Don. Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, crap, we got to get the vacuum. No pushing, right?
Yeah.
Sort of. No pushing in. Come on, this is death. Stop.
I can't promise that.
Come on, E. There's no pushing in here. This'll kill us.
No,
Here.
it won't.
Oh, come on. That is suffering. Oh.
How far can you go?
Well, I beat you.
No, I wasn't trying. I was testing. I know it is.
Dude, you almost died. That's like throwing bullets at you.
Oh, you monster.
Dude, I don't know, man. Maybe we should just wait until we get the heater working. It's even windy, so like even if we go in, we'll die when we get out with this breeze.
Are you gonna come with?
Look, I'll do step by step with you, but no throwing in. Oh shoot, I almost slipped and died. It was close, see? Watch out. Oh my God, it's so cold.
Stay in there.
How do people do that? They're crazy. They're nuts, these people. Oh, dude, you're crazy, E. Oh my goodness, E, you're gonna die.
Oh, no. My legs are dying.
Okay, you win. I'm not going in that far.
No, you owe me a splash.
You want me to do it too?
No, I have to splash you. You splashed me.
All right, go ahead.
Stand there.
Lise, we need towels. Ah! Holy crap!
Yeah, that's
E.
what happened when you came out.
That's
the flip phone.
You know what? Navy SEALs, they go in this stuff like it's nothing. Those are real men and women. I'm going to go get the vacuum.
I dare you.
You think I can get it and survive?
No. When you walk down there, you're not going to live.
How much did it hurt, E?
Not that bad.
Really?
Walk to the floor.
Golly, that is slippery.
You gotta be careful.
I know. Oh, God, E, this is nuts, man. I can take it like a man.
You can't. Your body can.
I am not dipping my arms in there. I'm using my... Oh, look at my Aper vacuum.
I don't
Nice.
think your legs are okay. You gotta become an ice cube.
By the way, if anybody wants their pool to be this clean, these vacuums. Stop!
This ain't a sponge.
Oh yeah, that's right. You're sitting there splashing me and I've got all the ammo. You're crazy.
Yeah, I'm not the one with the water.
I think it's worse getting hit by this water spray. Dude, I think my balls just fell off. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, I'm getting out because this hurts. Oh, dude, I don't know. My legs are numb. All right, GG. All right, E, you're more of a man than I thought. I mean, it's temporary until I can get this thing. Well, I got to put soil here and then grass. It's not far enough.
You gotta make it a little longer.
Well, that's how long it is. I just happen to have it. Just temporary. This has all got to be soil, though. This stuff here is from Mars, and nothing will grow in it. Weeds happily will grow in it. But soil, grass, it's not going to grow well. Hi, Grody. Yeah, if anybody's wondering, these things here they keep the dang pool clean. And it's simple as heck you put it in, you turn it on, and then you clean the filter out. It didn't have too much dirt today, but I just do it every day. I put it in there. It's simple as that. They got some new ones too. I might see what they got, but this thing works great. I would just use that. Look how nice it even does the walls. I still brush the walls a little bit, but it keeps that pool clean. Grody. He would probably like to go on the hiking trail, I bet.
He'd like to do anything.
That's true. He's getting big.
Yeah.
He isn't going to be as big as Brady, but I think he's definitely this good size. And he's not even a year yet. See if he'll drop it for you so you can keep throwing. What is he looking at? Look in the window. It's Thor or Drax. I can't tell. How does he know he's there? Drax must be crying or something. Should I let Grody out here? He'll probably get in the mud over there, though. I gotta fix it. Throw the ball for him again. Where'd it go? Oh. Ah! He's too busy waiting for his pals. Uh-oh. There's a little one. He wants to go in the pool, that little guy. Problem is he would sink like a rock.
I'm gonna go in because my hands are cold.
Alright. Hey, do you want me to swim some laps real quick?
Do it.
Of course you would want me to do something like that.
There's exercise.
Well, what if I fainted? Would you go in and get me?
You know what? Could you put your entire body underwater?
Probably if I had to, or if somebody offered me $1 million, I would do it. No has 100,000, I would do it. 10,000, I would do it.
Yeah.
Heck, for 1,000, I would do it. 100, no, that's not enough.
I think it would be enough for me. All you do is just go in the cold water.
You would go under the whole thing for 100.
Yeah. Unless there's a time limit, you have to stay under there. But all they said just put your hand under there.
I'm trying to decide if I can come up with $100 to give you. Just to see if you would do it. That's a lot of money. Shush! Stop!
Can you stop being a scratch? Jesus.
Hi, Loki. Now that one there would love to go in.
Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yes.
Didn't you have chicken? You know what? It takes a lot of energy going in that pool. He's got to eat. What do you want to eat, E? Grilled cheese? Look at the scratches. Who got you?
All of them?
Tell him to give it to you. He's just gonna tug a war. He don't let you have it. He won't bite you.
Accidentally.
No.
Because he just did on my pinky.
Yeah, but your pinky tastes good. That doesn't count. Well, you gotta tell the DROP command if you want him to really give it to you. GGE. By the way, take all of them in with you. I don't like them anymore. Thanks.